vote counts just like yours.
Yay!
My vote.
Yay! My name is Gaylon Tootle. I am originally from Tootle County, Georgia, but right now I live in Augusta, Georgia. I serve as the co-chairman for Rev Up Georgia. Rev Up Georgia is an umbrella organization. We are a coalition of self-advocates, disability rights organizations, allies, and like-minded thinking folk. Our vote is under attack. Voter suppression, racist politics, and the like. We're here to simply educate, empower, and just talk about, have general discussions with people, find out where they're at, making sure that they're registered, making sure that they understand what the issues are. Empower our people to vote and teach them how to use their power. Disability rights ultimately are civil rights. And if we're out here advocating for the things that we need, for the changes that we want to see, ultimately it impacts the entire community, because the disability community is simply a microcosm of the entire community. Georgia!
There you go. There you go.
What can we do to help out? Just educate yourselves. Just look around your neighborhood. Put yourself in another person's shoes, and then come on out and join this fight. And we're not coming from a mean-spirited perspective. We're simply saying, save my vote. Go to SaveMyVoteGA.com. Take a look and see what we got going on, and please join us in our efforts to bring about the positive change that can only bring about positive results for the state of Georgia.